Welcome back. It's time to get smart and not only save on some cleaning products, but also be healthier with what we're cleaning with. Mariama Bramble of Brown Bell is going to show us some DIY natural cleaning products. Welcome. I'm so excited to learn about this.
Yes, I'm excited to show you.
Yes, I'm over the harsh toxins. We want to do something that's a little bit more natural. So tell us, before we get into this demo, why are some of these cleaning products that we typically use so bad?
Of course, they have a lot of harsh chemicals, dyes, fragrances. We're inhaling all of that, and obviously we're touching surfaces. Our pets are on the floor, on the counter, sometimes kitties. So it's always nice to have things that are less harsh for us and for our kids and our pets.
Absolutely. So you're going to talk us through how to make two DIY cleaning products, and we're starting with something that's an all-purpose spray. We can use this on everything, essentially.
Yes, so this is like day-to-day. You're cooking, you're moving about, there's dust. So we're going to just make a spray real quick. So it's 4 parts water to 1 part vinegar. You could use plain vinegar, but if you want to have a lemony scent, I have some vinegar that's steeping in lemon peels. And a lot of people have these around the house. You're cooking, you're putting lemons in your water, so just save them and reuse them. So if you go ahead and pour the water in.
I would be happy to.
And you can eyeball this. You don't have to do exact measurement.
Make it easy for you guys at home.
Exactly. And if you're going to use it more frequently, you're going to want to dilute it a little bit more because vinegar can be a little bit acidic.
Gotcha. So about to there?
About to there. That's good. And then you can pour in your vinegar.
Oh, it smells so nice. It's very lemony. I love it.
And then take that off.
Just makes me feel clean.
Pour this in and just keep this around the house. You want to strain the lemon peel, so you want to let this sit for about a week, just so it infuses with all the oils, the lemony freshness, and then take the peels out. Don't keep them in there.
That was so easy.
That was very easy.
Anybody can do that. And it does. It looks really nice. This is much better than those labels and everything.
Exactly.
Nice and simple. Okay, so what are we making next?
The next thing we're going to do is talk about drains. You have beautiful hair. I don't have hair anymore.
And it clogs the drain.
Exactly. When I had a big afro, it clogged a lot. So when you start to notice that your drain is not clearing as quickly as usual, then you can use this before you go and get the Drano or other harsh chemicals.
Good to know.
So take a little scoop of that. We don't want it to explode too much. But in your drain, you're going to take about a ½ cup of the baking soda. You're going to sprinkle it in the drain, and then you're going to pour the vinegar inside, and it'll bubble up, which we will show now.
It's like a science experiment. I love this.
And
this is fun for the kids too.
Well, maybe leave the kids out of this one.
Older kids. We'll do it with the older kids. Yes. Not the very young ones.
So you'll see it bubble up in your drain, and if it's really gunky, you'll see the gunk start to like peel off of the pipes.
But that'll be satisfying too.
It's satisfying. It's gross, but it's very satisfying. You let that sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then you pour hot water. You want hot water.
Does it need to be boiling or just as hot as our tap water will go?
Just hot as your tap water will go. Another thing for drains, if you have a disposal, I like lemon water. Pop a lemon peel in the drain, turn the water on, and that helps to deodorize it if you have like lots of food and gunk and stuff like that.
Oh, that's a great tip after big family dinner, maybe Memorial weekend, get together,
your cocktails,
freshen it up a little bit.
Put it in there.
Awesome. And so you also have some other tips for us. So these other tips are in reference to dishes or laundry. How else can we make these things useful?
So here's a few items that I actually have in my house. We already talked about lemons. Another great way I like to use lemons is to deodorize my cutting board. So if I'm cutting onions and garlic, and you ever cut an apple or something on your cutting board and it's kind of like, why does it taste like onions? So this is a great way. You can also use that spray. But baking soda, we talked about how that's great. Deodorizing, have it in your fridge for your drains. I like cast-iron soap. I use it for my body, my hair. You can use it on your face. You can also use it for dishes. It's made without chemicals. It comes with fragrances that are made with essential oils. So it's not going to be like super strong, but it will have a nice scent. And then if you want to get just like a plain unscented detergent, you can add your own essential oils.
I had never
so that it smells like lavender or jasmine or rose, whatever you want it to smell like. Cinnamon. For guys, if you wanted something that's not floral, you can do that as well.
And you're saving money too. You're not spending $20 on those super fancy, expensive scented detergents. And this is better for you, for your skin, all of that.
Our skin is the largest organ, and people forget about that. And you're putting clothes on your body. that are washed in detergents that have scents and dyes and all that. So a little bit goes a long way.
It does, and I love this too because it's so customizable. You can literally make it smell like whatever you like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic. So where can we learn more about you? We want other great tips like this.
Yes, you can learn more about me on my website, brownbell.com. I'm really active on Instagram. That's at brownbell. And I do a lot of stories in my home about all this type of stuff.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have a much cleaner and healthier home now.
Yes.